everybody. Hey, welcome back to another video today. This is Marybeth Angelelli back with you, and we're just going to begin by me sharing with you a little bit more continued proof so that you can see that this program is still alive and it's still going strong and you can still earn money with it. I just had two recent payments come through, $100 each, so this brought me $200. Okay, so here we go. There's $100 payment right there. And here is my second payment for $100. And now we're going to go into the system itself called copy and paste ads. I've been with copy and paste ads now for quite a while. I really love it. It's a really simple system that anybody can use that needs to make some extra income. And you can generate the potential of $100 over and over again. Okay, you just have to stay committed to the process and work this, because it does work, and just remain consistent with your marketing. Now, this is a really simple program. It's beginner friendly, doesn't require any special skills, knowledge, education. There's no tech involved. They give you everything you need, a done for you system, capture pages, sales page with video that does your telling, selling, and explaining 24/7, and it even has pre-written follow-up emails and a built-in autoresponder. So if there's no upsells, you join $100 plus a one-time $29 admin fee, and you are good to go. So let me just give you a quick guided tour around the back office so you can see exactly what you're going to get and what you're going to have access to help you to increase your cash flow and start making some extra money from the comfort of your home. Sound good? Okay, so let's get into the good stuff here, folks. So this is your back office. You'll log in. You'll see the start here, and this is where your billing will be, okay? Your new members training, ways to receive money. You can get paid however you want. The money comes directly to you, so it is member to member. You can edit your profile. This is where you can log out, and here is your settings. Now here's all your contacts. This is your leads, okay, that you can go in and view. Here's your pages, capture pages. You get a very nice variety of very high converting capture pages. We have this one, we have these two. Here's two more here. We have our sales page right here, and we have more capture pages, okay? So it's really simple. All you do is you pick the one that you want, you make it your primary, and then you scroll down here and you make this your redirect. So you pick whatever capture page design you like. They're all beautiful. They all work very well. I've tested several of these. Love the results. Okay, and you just make it your primary. And then of course this right here where the video is. And these are all mobile responsive. You just make it your redirect. So you literally can have your funnel set up in just a few split seconds. That's how easy it is. Okay. So I'll just show you, for example, what one of these looks like. Now this is one of my favorites right here. Okay. I really like this one here. Get paid to post ads, earn up to $300 per day. Watch this video. So somebody just enters their name and email. They click watch the video and it goes right to your sales page. Okay, so it's really a great system. All right, and then we have all of our pages. You can track your commissions here, your new members. You can view the history, okay, of your team. Here's all your tools, your statistics, how your websites are performing, your ad tracking, how your ad campaigns are performing. Here's your done for you autoresponder emails, optional iSpin auto builder, okay, if you want to take advantage of that. And here's your sample ads. There's a wide variety of different emails that can go out, be added to your autoresponder, or just go out individually as follow-up emails. Now these are all pre-written, done for you, ready to go. Okay? So just wanted to share that with you. Okay? So that's your tools. Everything is here. And then we've got our resources. We have our main Facebook group, which is the Copy and Paste Ads Official for all paid members. Our resources and training. So you get a guide, a getting started guide that you can go through and review all the information to help you to jumpstart your results. We have all your follow-up emails and autoresponders. This has a built-in autoresponder ready to go, done for you emails. If you want to integrate your own autoresponder, like what I've done with Aweber, you have that option to do that too. There's like Aweber, there's GetResponse, and some of the other more popular common household names amongst autoresponders, okay? If you want to post on Craigslist, here's the instructions and here's your training to do your Craigslist ad posting. And that's a great way to get traffic, okay? Copy, paste, post for profit. Here's an additional 100 top resources that you can utilize, plug into. So there's a lot of different options here. Facebook groups, if you want to take advantage of those, that's a great free method. And then we have mindset videos. So there's a very nice combination of resources and training. And then of course you've got all social media, folks. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, and even LinkedIn. So that gives you a nice variety, and that's all free, folks. And you can do, simple text ads, copy, paste, post ads, image ads. You can do videos, short form, long form, faceless videos, faceless content, whatever your preferences are, okay? There's no shortage of places where you can go to advertise. And here's all the resources and all the training right here to help you, okay? And then we have additional traffic. $20 ads through Herculist. Solo ads over at Udemy. You could start with a 100-click solo ad, 40 cents a click. You're going to pay around $40, give or take a little bit. So once you do start getting into profit mode, take a little bit of that $100 commission that's going to come directly to you. You get to keep 100% of the profits and maybe spend $20 or $40 to grow, build, and scale up your business over time, okay? That would be a good approach to give serious consideration to. That's what I've done. And it works really well. I've been with copy-paste ads now for quite some time and very much still consistently earning. Love it because it's so basic friendly and it's a nice little side hustle to put an extra $100 in your pocket, okay? And over again. And those can add up quite nicely over time, of course, all right? So there it is. And then we have different bonuses that you can also check out as well, okay? For some additional income streams and options to increase your cash flow. And then ways to receive. Here's your payment processors, okay? So I do Authorize.net. There's Bitcoin, there's Square, there's Stripe, there's Cash App. Manual, you can get paid however you want. There's Venmo, there's Zelle, just to name a few. And if you need something manually, you just type in your pre-written instructions, okay? And as you can see, there is the leaderboard. There is my name right there, Marybeth A. So still very much at it and doing, well with it. So I can definitely help you. Love this little system. Just wanted to pop in here, do a quick little, video, just an update here for the month of July 2024 to give you a little guided tour of the back office. But literally everything that you need is right here. Okay, see, 2 months ago, that was me right there, earned $100. So I've been at this, folks, consistently earning. Love this little system. And this is where you get started. And this is the members area. So when you first log in, you're going to want to watch this video. Your information will be here. You want to join the Facebook group. It's Copy and Paste Ads Official. And you want to take advantage of some of these free traffic membership sites as well to help you. And then here's a welcome video, 12 minutes long. Definitely make sure you watch that. Here's a comp plan video. Make sure you watch that. And then here's your multiple income streams that you can add. Totally optional though, okay? Done for you traffic, optional. Different banner ads, optional. View your statistics and then dive into your member training. This is where I would highly recommend going into your training, okay? And really feel, get familiar, get yourself acclimated, and then just start copying, pasting, and posting for profit. And here's, some great sites to utilize. There's 7 of them right here that you can use, create free accounts, and use the copy, paste, post ads, image ads and all that good stuff within your training, okay, within your system. But yeah, everything you need here, folks. Watch this, go through the instructions, go through the tutorials, get yourself set up, and then just stay focused, stay committed. It's really, really simple. This is the back office. Again, you start here. You want to go through, get your profile set up, pick how you want to get paid, all that good stuff. go into your settings, put your information, and then, pick a capture page of your choice, redirect it to the sales page, okay? And use the Done For You built-in autoresponder with follow-up emails if you so desire. If you want to integrate your own, if you have your own, you can certainly do that too, okay? You can track your team, your commissions. Here's all your wonderful tools, sample ads, resources, okay? Facebook group, you want to definitely join that. Go into your resources and training. You just want to go and this is module 1, module 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Take your time because this is everything right here. You really get a lot of content and a lot of value and a lot of training for $100 one time. No upsells at all. Okay? So different places to advertise. You can go right into your Craigslist training. Okay? Here's your sample ads. You definitely want to go through the video tutorial for Craigslist. Okay, follow the instructions, all the steps right here. And then, create your account over at Craigslist.org and have fun posting. This is a really great place to utilize. Okay, and here's all the tips and high traffic cities. So definitely take advantage of that. Okay, and as you can see, folks, there it all is. Gives you all the additional training, okay? And everything that you're going to need. There's even YouTube marketing, your sample ads, member training area, places to advertise. Look at this, YouTube marketing. You go here, okay? And here's all your steps, all your YouTube training. And me personally, I make really good utilization out of YouTube. That's where I get a lot of my signups. A lot of my signups, folks. That's where these two that I just got last week came from. YouTube. It's free. And it's simple, and anybody can do it. And we even provide you with, complete training on how to do that as well. So with that being said, folks, thank you so much for allowing me to come in here and continue to share a nice, simple little program that you can pick up as a side hustle. Very affordable, appeals to the masses, and it's super simple. My link is below. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to go right here to easydaily100.com. You'll see my link. You might need to type it into your browser. And this is my website, easydaily100.com. You're about to discover a simple way to start generating $100 payments over and over again. And you just put your email address, hit please show me more. You'll be redirected to my sales page. You're going to want to watch that short video. It's going to explain everything to you, and then you'll just scroll down below and you'll be able to get started. Okay? It's really super simple. So we go here and we'll just show you what this looks like. Okay? Watch the video, and there's the sales page. So this is where you're going to go after you go through my website. Watch this video right here. Click on it. You'll watch this short little video. This explains the business model, more testimonials. You can tune in, hear from happy customers of the of the copy paste post ads opportunity. There's the membership. This is what you're going to get. It's a nice little traffic bonus right here. Okay. And here's highlights of everything you're going to have. Your pre-written ads, 100 places to post your ads, step-by-step instructional videos, recorded training and webinars, CAPA ad tracking and software, access to the private Facebook groups, 7+ capture pages and funnels, 15+ autoresponder done for you messages. Here's the reverse 1-up comp plan, and you'll start being able to get in position to have this potential of earning $100 potential for every VIP membership after you pass up your second sale. So you keep your first, only pass up one, that's your second, and that is it. Everything there on you keep. But the beauty is everybody's going to pass up sale number 2 to you. So this has some really nice, cool leverage built into it. If you need to email support, you'll be able to do that, and you'll be able to review the FAQ inside. Okay, so it's $100 one time plus a one-time $29 admin fee. You pay that first, and then you go in and you pay your $100. Okay, and you get started right here at the buy now. So it's very, very simple, folks. Check it all out. Come through my website. You're going to redirect here. Watch this video. Review the info on the business model. Check out the testimonials if you would like to do so. Check out your bonus. Here's your highlights, and let's get you going today, folks. This is super simple. It's been around a long time. It's solid, it's basic, it's beginner friendly, and something anybody can literally do. You need no previous knowledge, education, experience, absolutely nothing, and you can advertise it anywhere you want. Craigslist, high traffic classified sites, social media. You can even do low cost, affordable paid through Hercules and Udemy, just to name a few sites. Okay, so thanks a million, and I'd love to see you on the inside. Head on over now to easydaily100.com. So here we go, folks. easydaily100.com. I'll meet you on the inside. Put your email. You'll be redirected, and then you'll know what to do to get started. $29 one time admin, $100 to me. No monthly fees ever, and no upsells. Okay, that's the wonders of this program. People love it. I know you're going to love it, and I'd love nothing more than to welcome you in advance to the Copy and Paste and Post Ads program. Thank you so much, and bye for now. Oh, any questions, text or call me. My contact details are on the inside.